Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of newly launched upcoming luxury segmented project by Brigade Group located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. In this teaser we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting, आइए जानते हैं that what is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform जो आपको कनेक्ट करता है सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसी में ऐसा नहीं करते क्योंकि हम हाउसी में आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ. तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So the first one is project overview. This project will be constructed on total 5 acres of land parcel with 4 blocks having basement, ground plus 8 floor with 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, this project is located inside Brigade Orchard 135 acres ka township which is located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. With railway station and upcoming metro station just 15 minutes away from the project, Kempegowda International Airport just 15 minutes away, upcoming mall and multiplex 2 minutes away, Phoenix Mall of Asia just 20 minutes away, Prestige Tech Cloud is 15 minutes away from the project and an upcoming IT park is just 5 minutes away with STRR connectivity. Now coming to the amenities part, this project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like of one clubhouse, swimming pool with kids pool, outdoor gymnasium, indoor gymnasium, kids play area, play court, yoga lawn, campfire zone. Apart from all this, Brigade Group has brought a luxury segmented project with scenic view without compromising its quality and space. Additionally, all the apartments have Vastu compliant flats and project is right in the heart of Devanahalli. Now coming to the built up area, so as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. So 3 BHK 3T starting from 1600 to 1850 square feet, 3 BHK 3T plus home office plus maid room is 1950 square feet and 4.5 BHK is 2300 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. So project expression of interest is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site जहाँ पे हमारी sales team आपको explain करेगी complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and will also guide you on the banking options. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the spot EOI. Our EOI customer will get the additional benefits discounts. So everyone, this was a teaser of Brigade Group newly launched luxury segmented project located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.